right, good afternoon, everyone. This is Joe Henches with Beyond the Chart, and today is Sunday, February 23rd, 2014, and this is the Trade Ideas update and discussion for this coming week, the week of the February 24th. We're going to look at the trade ideas from last week. We've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then one new one that I want to talk about. But first, I don't want to start off with Sienna. I want to start off with Las Vegas Sands. Okay, so we had a buy signal on the 16th. Let me get rid of this. Buy signal on the 16th on this date, which was, okay, so this was Friday. The 16th was Sunday. That's what I'm saying. We had a buy signal at the close here, 80.15. Okay. And our entry was at 80.06 on Monday, the 18th. We then had 1, 2, 3 days in this trade. And after 3 days, then I'm moving the stop to a close on the prior day low. So any close below the prior day low, because I just don't want to give this a whole lot of room here. Gave it some room initially in case we had some volatility, but now I don't want to. I want to see this move up and go after our target. The targets are listed on the Trade Ideas webpage, so you can see the targets listed there. Okay, the next one is Stratasys, and similar type thing. Had the buy signal at 125.89 on the 18th. Right here, 125. The entry was on the 19th at 126.89. Okay. And so then we've been in this for 3 days, and now we're moving this to an exit on any close below the prior day low. So if we were to get a close below 126.26, I would exit the position. Okay. Again, don't want to give this a whole lot of room. It is starting to trend higher, and we may get stopped out with this tight of a stop, but if this is going to trend higher, I think it ought to move up, and I'm willing to take my chances. We may get stopped out like over here, close below the prior day low right here, but it also had made a nice move up in here, and if we get this kind of move, we're going to hit our target before we get stopped out. So and that's again the strategy that I'm trying to entertain on the Trade Ideas webpage is to have a target that we exit half the position on, or it's your choice. You could exit all if you want to. If you're up double your option, let's say, and you're happy with that, and you want to just take it, that's fine. What I'm trying to do with these trades is to, if I'm up double on half my position, sell that half, and then run a stop on the second half and see if we can't get a trade that runs. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to do, trying to maximize the opportunity in the trade. But if you do that on your entire position, you're running a lot more risk. Okay, and so we're trying to lock in some profit and then see if we can't maximize the profit on the entire trade. So that's what we're looking to do, on the entire position, I should say. So that's what we're looking to do. All right, Twitter. Let's look back here at Twitter. We had a sell signal here at 55.50. We've been in this, the entry. I don't have the entry here. Let's see if I got it over here. Entry at 56.07. Okay, I need to put that on the chart here, but entry at 56.07, and that was on the 20th, on this day. And so now we've been in 1, 2. So we've got third day on Monday, and then after that, we'll move that to a prior day close 2 type situation. Okay. You can see the 20 is breaking below the 50. 50 still is starting to round over, and the 10 is well below the 50. So we're starting to, it looks like we're starting to trend now. We've been trending down, but it's been choppy. So it'll be interesting to see, do we get another test on down here of at least this low, if not lower. That's what we're waiting to see and looking for. Valero. Okay, we had a buy signal at 49.86 on the 16th on here, and we had an entry on Valero at 50.15 on the 18th, okay, on this day here. So we then had 3 days in this trade, and now we've moved after this day, we actually moved it to a close below the prior day low, and and we didn't on Friday. They popped up. You know, it opened up and tried to move. I really thought it was going to run, but then it didn't go anywhere. So again, we're looking at it. If we get a close below this low, we will exit the entire position. So that's it on Valero. And then the new trade idea for this week is CRE. And I'm not giving these a whole lot of room. We're getting some buy signals in here, but honestly, I am a little wary. I mean, when you look at this, I mean, if it starts to break down, breaks this little, you know, you got the potential in here that this is developing something like this, like a possible bear flag, but I don't want to say that it is yet. So that's why I'm just kind of a little bit trying to keep the stops tight on the position. And you're seeing that on these other ones we talked about too. Well, not so much on that one. Stratasys, you can draw the same type of trend line, not quite as clear as the other one. But anyway, that's why I'm doing that. On our CRE, I got a new sell signal here, and then what I'm looking to do is sell at 59.60. Okay, so not at this close, looking to see it break the low and go slightly lower, and at 59.60 is where I'd be looking to buy puts. And I do have a suggestion on the Trade Ideas webpage for a put. And take a look at that, and I've got a target laid out and the stop for it. So we'll see how this week plays out, whether we continue to push up through some of this resistance or whether this thing rolls over. So anyway, this has been Joe for Beyond the Chart. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great Monday, Tuesday. Unless we have really unusual trading on Monday, I'll be back with you on Tuesday evening. Take care. Have a great couple days.